30,000 rupees are there. We need to invest it into the two bond, 5%, 7% interest is given, and total interest in the first part is 1800 rupees. So if I invest in the first bond x rupees, so in the second bond I need to invest 30,000 minus x. So we can approach it with the simple approach also. We have got 5% interest on x and 7% interest on 30,000 minus x, then that interest is equal to 1800. So like this, if I remove the percent sign, it's 100 comes here. So now if we solve this, then we will get the value of x. So this is the simple approach, but we need to solve it by using the matrix multiplication method. So let me tell you how to use it, how to solve it by matrix multiplication method. So we have to form a two matrix here. Suppose one matrix is of so it must be equal to 1800. So this 1800 is the interest and it is 1 into 1, right? So we need to form, it is 1 into 2 matrix here, and here it is. So when it's multiplied with the another matrix, it is 2 into 1. The order of that matrix is 2 into 1 and the order of the new matrix is 1 into 1. So this must be equal. So let us write here, it is the interest here, write the interest here, 5% and 7% in this matrix, right? And write the amount here in this x 30,000 minus x. So this is the two matrix. We need to multiply these two matrix, and then these two matrix multiplied, and it gives the interest 1800. So now if you multiply this matrix with this, so this is part A. So let us multiply this 5% multiplied with x, 5% multiplied with x plus then 7% multiplied with so we need to put the multiply sign, or we can write off also, multiplied with x and 7% multiplied with 30,000 as the matrix multiplication, and it must be equal to 1800. So if you look at this by using the simple approach, this is the equation and this equation is same, but we have to represent it in the matrix form like this. So this is the matrix for interest, this is the matrix for interest when interest multiplied with amount, then we will get the total interest. So this is the interest percentage when multiplied with amount, so we will get the interest amount, the total interest amount. So if you solve this, it is 5 by 100 x plus 7 by 100 30,000 minus x is equal to 1800. Now solve it and get the value of x from here. So take the 100 LCM and shift it on that side, it become 5x plus 7 3s are 21, 1 2 3 4 minus 7x. This 100 shift on that side, it become 0 0. Now solve it, 5x plus minus 7x become minus 2x, and this 21 shift on that side, 1 8 1 2 3 4 minus 2 1 1 2 3 4, then it become minus 2x is equal to 1 2 3 4 and 1 minus 21 minus 18, it comes out to be 3 minus. Okay, x, then x is equal to, what is the x in this case? It comes out to be 15,000. So Arman in the first case invest the 15,000. So in the first bond Arman invest 15,000. So what is the amount in the second bond Arman have you spent? So total amount is 30,000. So if it is 15 in first bond, so then it is 15 in the second bond. So I hope this is clear to you all. So this is the approach we need to apply in this question, and this is the, now this B part you can able to solve. So at the place of this 1800 in the B part, you only just replace it with 2000, then you will get the second amount.